Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your OnePlus Buds Pro to your iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% by using this USB-C pin input on the back. The next step is very simple. You have to open the case, put these earbuds inside, and then you have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking like that. So in my case it just happened automatically, but I'm gonna show you how to move it manually. So click and hold, take a look on the indicator. After a few moments it will start blinking. It will be like 2-3 seconds of holding this button and it will start blinking like that. It means that right now it's visible to other devices. So put this case close to your iPhone and do not close it. Open the settings, go for the Bluetooth and click on the switcher. Right now the Bluetooth is activated on our iPhone and the OnePlus Buds Pro are visible, so just click on them once. And as you can see, right now we are connected. That was very simple, right? So we can go forward and unlock more features of these earbuds by using the Hey Melody application from the App Store. So on your iPhone you have to find the App Store. In my case is right here. Click on the search pool, type Hey Melody, that's the application that we have to get. Click install. That's a verification method, so let me just input the password. Okay, as you can see the password is correct and we are able to download this application. If you have this notification, just tap download and right now you can simply open this application. Click agree and continue, click OK again, and then as you can see the OnePlus Buds Pro appears right here. When you click on them once you will open the settings and you don't have to connect them like in the Bluetooth settings. They will be automatically detected when you connect them previously by using this standard Bluetooth settings method. As you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.